Welcome to your new spot in paradise. As you enter through your new etched glass double front doors, you're welcomed into a family-friendly home offering a formal living room and dining room, or pool table and party space. With tall ceilings and sliders to the lanai. The kitchen and family room are bright and open. The kitchen offers quartz counters ready for you to enjoy your morning coffee or food prep at the one-level bar with seating for 5, stainless steel appliances, all with views to the large lanai and pool area. The split floor plan offers large bedrooms. All rooms around the lanai offer pocket sliders. Loads of space to entertain the whole family around the pool. All door and windows include storm protection. Close to schools, shopping and fine dining. Come and enjoy the Florida lifestyle has to offer.